there again everyone, Josie here, Life at 50 and Beyond. Thanks for joining me here in my channel. Today I have a combined Target Dollar Spot haul and Dollar Tree haul for you all. They're pretty small, but many of them I will be using for my DIYs. I've actually used some of them already, and I will be linking in the upper right hand corner as well as in the description box below those videos where I have used some of these materials, and I'm even going to be inserting some photos. But before I proceed with my haul, let me just do an unboxing of this Phomemo model M110, which is a label printer. It is a Wi-Fi or a wireless label printer. And if you are into crafting, organizing, and you do craft fairs or even selling items, this will be very useful for you if you are a small business owner. But even if you're not at home, if you want to organize things, this is also very useful. And here it is. This is the Phomemo M110 Label Printer. It's fully charged now. It only took me 2 hours to fully charge it because it was partially charged when I got this. And the Phomemo M110 app is available at Apple's App Store as well as Android's Google Play Store. So you'll just look for Phomemo M110 and download that. There are 2 apps available. So you are going to be downloading the M110 because the other one is for MO2, the one that says Phomemo. But this one, explicitly, you will have to search Phomemo M110. And then you can just download the app, click on the Get icon there, and then it will prompt you for installation, and then you can sign in with your Apple password. And then it took me only a few seconds, and then I'm able to open the app. Of course, you're going to give it permission, so click on OK, and then voila, it's there. So I'm going to go ahead and try the templates. So as you can see, there are different categories here: jewelry, retailers, super, clothing, other label, flat label, cable label. Oh, I think that'll be useful when you're organizing your cables or your wires. And then price label, and then for school and home. I'm curious to see about this price label, so I'm going to give it a shot first, but I'm also going to see about the school and home labels. So but first let me try the price label first, and then I clicked on that, so that's why it's emboldened, and then I'm going to go ahead and click next. So as you could see, there are different sizes here because there are also different types of labels that you can get as well from Phomemo. So I'm connected to the cloud, and this is one example of a price label here. Well, a couple of examples there. So since I am not a seller, I'm going to go ahead and try another label system here. So you can actually save to your folder, you can download, and you can connect to the cloud, the Phomemo cloud. So I've clicked on the other label and then click on the cloud, and it will just show you the formatting, and then you can just type in the type of label. So it still displays on the left what to try, and look at that. For school, you can label the lunch boxes, notebooks, folders, and whatnot. And again, there are different sizes there. I'm interested to see these stickers here to label, and there's some also designs that are available there. Our font sizes, and then the data, and then alignment. It will show you also the sizing. So I am just gonna give it a whirl. I'll power on the printer, and then of course I want to remove that protective cover there so that it looks sleek and shiny. And then I am just going to try this. This is a format that they have there. I'm just going to give it a shot and print it. So you can see the printer name there, so you just click on the check mark, and then voila, it'll print. So that was pretty quick. And then this is the label, and I'm just going to put it in my notebook. Here's my DIY brain dump TN, and this is actually a date book for 2020, but I'm just going to label the back just to try it on. And that's how you can use the label for notebooks, especially for students, or if you have projects, just change the name. And for me, I have traveler's notebooks, multiple inserts, just like this one, then I can label each one of them for what they are for. And here is another label. I trimmed it to size. I didn't want it to be too big, but I'm just pretending there's apple candies or apple jam inside. So I'm just labeling that jar. And yeah, so you can use it to label your container. So I give it a thumbs up. I like it. That's my first impression, of course. Over time, I will also give you a feedback on this because I like journaling. I like creating traveler's notebook. If you're interested in watching those, let me know in the comment section down below. So if you're interested in this product, they have a big sale or Black Friday sale happening this Black Friday. So that's going to be 2 days away. So go to their website. I'll be putting the links in the description box below in case you are interested. Now on to my hauls. First off, let me do my Target Dollar Spot or Target Bullseye Playground haul. So I got this metal straws, and I've been looking for something like this where it has a cover on the top here and then also a bristle brush. So this come in 3. So one for me, one for my daughter, one for my hubby. And this one costs $5. And then this one, I got this for $3. What I like about this one is it's also a hot plate or a trivet. So this is $3. So this is the conversion for cups, tablespoon, teaspoon, and fluid ounce. 2 items here. I've been looking for candlesticks that are just clean lines, doesn't have to be too ornate. So this is what I got. And this one is $3 each. So I got 2. Because I'm going to be making a centerpiece and I'm going to be using this. This one, this is the only piece left. These are the starry lights. And again, $3. So this one, starry lights, I like that they come in this design here, like they're small light bulbs. And this one set has warm light, not the cool light, which is good. It's very cozy. Yeah, but let me just show you. Yeah. So you will need 2 AA batteries. And then these are the sizes of the bulbs. 13 bulbs in all. So this one is an 8-count utensil holder. So for Thanksgiving, actually this is good not only just for Thanksgiving, just because there's a thankful for. You can use this any occasion, in my opinion. You know, you have to be very grateful in your life for all the blessings that you receive all throughout the year. So these are made of kind of like craft paper. They're thick. So they're all written thankful for. You can say what you're thankful for, and then you can just insert your utensils here. I'm thinking not just for table setting, you can use this to send notes to your friends. So instead of buying greeting cards, just mention there that you're thankful for them, and then maybe put some kind of trinket or maybe gift, small gift inside. So yeah, I got this for $1 also, 3 for $1. These are the wood clips. These are the note cards. There are 30 pieces here, and I like that it's kind of like bluish gray, and there are 30 count, and at the back there are polka dots. So that's $1. Oh, this one I like a lot. It has this wreath design, and it's like the brown one, and you can put the utensils here when you're setting the table. There are 8 pieces here as well. Cardboard again, but wreath. Or you can use this as, you know, to put your trinkets to give to somebody. So these are the napkin wraps or napkin holders. There are 10 pieces here. And this is also made of cardstock material. And there's a slit here at the end. And then there's something that you can just insert so that you can put your napkin inside in the middle, and then that's where you're going to insert your napkin. You got this one too that matches the utensil holder that I showed earlier in brown cardstock. And again, like the other one, the gray one, it has a slit. So the gray one has Gather Together, and this one is Thankful. So I also have the recipe cards. So there is a pine tree here, and you can put the title, the prep time, total time, notes, ingredients, and at the back you'll put the directions. So there are 20 pieces here of recipe cards. This one comes in, I think, green, you know, the pine green. So this one comes in like a natural wood color, and then its edging has glitter, gold glitter. It's even at the bottom. See here? And then there's a twine to hang this if you want to hang this as an ornament. There's 3 of them. You can leave them in their natural color, or you can paint them. And again, $1 a piece. 2 pieces of candles, set of 2 10 taper candles, and this is $3. And that's for my candlestick, so I picked out the gray one. They have white as well as green, and this one gray. I didn't see any red, so if you're looking for red, I don't think they have, but maybe they're just sold out. So, and one more here for $1. These are the gift tags. I like this because they're so cute, and you don't really have to use this as gift cards. You can use this to hang on your tree. So there are only 3 designs here: pink, hunter green, and red. Repeated 8 times, so 24 pieces all in all. So again, like I said, you can use this as ornaments for simple, or you can put this like garland, create garlands, and then hang it on your mantle. So that'll be nice. And there's red and white. There are red and white twines. I also have this bowl that is microwave and dishwasher safe. They come in, I think, 3 designs. One is seal head or walrus, I'm not so sure now, and then the other one I don't remember, but I like this. It looks like a polar bear with purplish blush on its cheeks. So yeah, and you'll have to remove this if you're going to use this to eat, because this is just a protection when they're stacking them, when they're selling them. So yeah, this is breakable. I also got this flock tree. It's a mini tree from Target Dollar Spot, and this was just $5. I like that this is in a kind of like a particle board or MDF wood vase, and you can just use this and hang a little bit of ornament or lights, or just leave it as is. I like undecorated flock trees, so yeah, and then just surround it with things for winter. So that's $5, and they have a smaller one for $3. Just took the bigger one, and that's the only big one left. The bigger of the 2, I mean. It's still a mini tree. And I'm just using these decorations that I DIY'd, and I'm going to be linking it on the upper right-hand corner so that you can watch it. Okay, nothing pretty exciting about my Dollar Tree yet. So I'm just going to show you some of my stash here. I got these cinnamon sticks. And this is the best time to either put this in your hot cocoa or your tea, or you can just probably use this as part of your decoration. It smells so good. So just $1 a pack. And there are, I don't know, there are probably 10 sticks here. Then I bought these wooden letters. I bought 2 sets because I'm trying to do some crafty things. So this is Crafter Square, but I don't have all the Crafter Squares that they've been hauling like those other bigger woods. I only have the letters. So at least I found something, right? I have this foam mounting tape. So if you have a project and you want to create a 3D effect and you want to layer your projects, you know, if you want to make cards, you can use this as well. An organizer for lipsticks or nail cutters or your nail polishes. So this is an acrylic one. I like this because, you know, for the price of $1, that's unbeatable. I got this as well. You've known me to make my own traveler's journal or inserts. So this one are the teeny weeny ones. This comes 3 in a pack for $1. So they're like the mini composition notebooks. And then these are the cute stuff. I got this pink Pom Pom Pen. Right? So if you're Instagramming and you're a planner addict or Bujo addict like me, so you can just use this, the pom pom, and then there's a tassel here if you're using a traveler's notebook, or if your planner has a place to hang this, you can hang this on the side and they all match. See, pink power for the planner addicts like me. And that's it for my hauls today, folks. Thanks for joining me here. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Please share to anyone who may be interested in finding out what they can buy on the cheap. Those items that I showed you from Dollar Tree, a lot of them will be in a gift for some friends who are also into journaling. So I've been kind of accumulating already some gifts. So if you want to see some examples of inexpensive or budget-friendly gift ideas for the holidays, let me know in the comments section down below. And also, if you're new to my channel, welcome. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe, and don't forget to click that notification bell icon so that you will not miss any of my new uploads. I still have a few winter decor DIYs that are coming your way, so please stay tuned. Take care, everyone. Have a great day. Talk to you again on my next video. Bye-bye.